Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I feel like in my dorm I have to talk really quiet, and my dorm's just like really quiet in general, so I don't know, I feel like I'm disturbing the peace or something. But yeah, so today I did a really smoky eye and a bold lip using this really cool glitter flip transforming glitter liquid lipstick. It is so cool. It's in the shade Hollywood, but it applies as a matte and then it turns into like this glittery shiny lip, and I'm obsessed with it. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching.
Top on the whip, dab a ranch on the chips. Ice cream gave her chills. Too much cash, pay the bills. I make a ride Mercedes. I can afford the latest. Baby, ignore the Raiders. Just pull up, we pop out, we raise.
I might be able to hear my cat meow in the background of this video because I shut the door and it doesn't like when I shut the door. Oh, I would let it in, but you know, it's just gonna destroy everything, so. I always wonder what it does when it's like alone. Oh, I already primed my eyes with the Mary Kay eye primer. To start off with, I'm going to be mixing together Bare and Sunder, which are these two shades right here. And just on a fluffy blending brush that I did just clean, and it's like permanently stained like that color, but whatever.
I'm just gonna be working that into my crease. I'm just gonna be building that in to my crease so it has like a good transition. So I got like a bunch of new makeup for Christmas, some that I ordered and some that I was given to as a gift. And I'm like obsessed with this palette, the Dare to Create palette by Morphe. I don't know, it's just been like my obsession recently. It has a lot of really fun colors, and this like navy blue in it matched my hair so good. Sorry, I'm like looking into the mirror, not at the camera, because I don't know why. Habit, I guess, because I like to look at myself. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna go in with this like dark purpley shade up there, pat it on, and I'm just gonna, you know, work it in.
Let's add this onto the other side, pat it on. I'm just adding this like purpley color just to give it some like dimension, I guess, because I don't know, going in with just like straight like black shadow, like I'm intimidated by it. I don't know, why do I feel like this eye's not like blending how I want it?
Okay, I'm gonna use this Pro Shader brush. It's a tiny little brush, and I'm gonna go in with the black on the palette called Muse. It's literally just like black shadow, and ever so gently tap it on, and I'm gonna go like kind of towards my lash line and up, and then just in my crease.
Oh, well, I fucked up right there a little bit, but we can fix that. We can fix that. Okay. Now with this blendy brush thing that I used before, I'm just gonna blend that out. Then going back in with the black again, I'm just gonna deepen that. I know I usually say it's like all about the blending, but with black it really is all about blending, because it just is. Like, there's no way around it.
I'm going to cut my crease, but I'm gonna go a little bit further out than I normally do. And I'm just using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. It's in the shade Light 20.
So all I'm doing here, I put that down and then I look up, and then that line, that's how you know it's your crease, because, you know, you're looking up, and I don't know, that's just a good way to find your crease if you don't really know where it is. I'm gonna fix that up, because I like it to be like a seamless looking blend, I guess. Not just like, oh, concealer, then black, because that's ugly. I have a song stuck in my head. I was looking for another song one day, and I stumbled across Lights Down Low, but it has Nash in it. Ganache, whatever the heck it's called. But it's catchy, man. And now I just like want to sing it all the time. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. Okay, so I've like perfected that to the best of my ability, and I tried to like blend out everything like as best as I could, and then I just set the concealer on my eye with the La Mercier powder, and you know, let that soak in a little bit, and then brush it off, and it literally got in my contact, and it hurts, but I think I blinked it out. You know, when you get stuff in your contact, you just blink it out, and you know, it works. So
I wanted like a white shimmer for my eye look today, so I'm gonna be using these two shadows up here from the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. And I'm just gonna use this like flat synthetic brush, this color right here first. Then spray it with Fix Plus because you got to. I want it to be real shimmery. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I have this mirror up close so I can like really see what I'm doing. I wanna follow that crease that I cut. Okay, yeah, I know I don't like that brush for it.
I'm just going to use this flat brush and see how that works. It just like, the other brush just wasn't picking up the amount of pigment that I wanted. Okay, let me try that again. And I'm just like lightly brushing this into the black. And then I'll go back in with black and brush that into, it's just like a process, man, I don't know. That's why I hate doing like looks sometimes with like black shadows, because it's just like such a process. And you never know if it's gonna turn out. Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna go back in with this little brush and see if I can get really in the crease and kind of just tap it along. I'm gonna go back in with this brush that I used for the black. Just kind of like help merge those shades together. What is this? Like, why? Why you gotta do me like that? You know, I'm just going to keep on going back in with the shimmers until you just got to work it up, and I don't know. Basically, I'm like a perfectionist, so I do not stop doing something until it's literally like perfect in my eyes, and it like is a problem for like half the things I do in my life. So, okay, yeah. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this eye really quick.
Yeah, I just finished this eye and, you know, kind of went back and forth, make sure everything was blended. And now I am going to work on the bottom lower lash line. I'm going to be using this little Pro Shader brush again. So I'm gonna go back in with this purple shade right there. I'm just gonna be connecting this from this line up here and working my way down. Same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna just go into the black and then just put that over the purple. Okay. Oh. I have that song stuck in my head and I can't get it out.
What is next, people? What is next?
This white retractable eyeliner pencil from NYX, and I'm just gonna line my waterline. That's dumb. Okay.
I feel like this brightens up the look a little bit and just kind of, oh, it is retractable. Wow. I honestly didn't know that until I read the pencil. I hate myself. Okay.
And I'm just gonna do my inner corner highlight with, I'm gonna use this one. Why not? For that, I am going to be using the smudge brush.
This brush broke, and I'm so sad because it's new. It's the NYX Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder. So I'm just going to open this very carefully. Like, it's literally smashed. Like, I'm sad. But, you know, it still works. Still works. So I'm going to be popping this color under my brow bone. And, yeah. Okay. Now, I'm going to be using the A23 brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills and carefully tapping into that powder that's destroyed. Can't see shit. It's pissing me off. Okay. This is a really pretty highlighter. I like it a lot. It doesn't always match, like, all the looks, but, like, it's cute. There's, like, a glare, so I can't even see what I'm doing, honestly. Okay, so I'm going to be applying some lashes, and then I will be right back.
Okay, so I applied my lashes. Yeah, so I applied my lashes and applied bottom mascara using the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And, let's jump into the lips. So, this is what it looks like. It's really cute, and it has like a little glitter lid. It almost reminds me of like the Kylie lip kit. Kind of looks like that a little bit. Oh, this is in the shade Hollywood. I don't know how well it'll match with this look because I've never like done this. I just kind of, you know, went for it. I had in mind just like a plain smoky eye, I guess, to match this, or just like a really nude look. Because this is like out there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys anyways because I'm really excited about it, and it's just so pretty and it's so different. Oh shit. I'm dropping everything, I'm scared. Okay, so you apply it like a normal lipstick, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. When you're applying it, don't blot or like smack your lips together. Okay, so here's what it looks like right now. Just wait, it gets like wicked. Yeah, so it's like right now it's like, it's kind of like, I don't know, I can't like describe it. I don't know.
Okay, so it's definitely been a minute. So basically what you do is you just like start doing this. And you can see how like it's just starting to get like glittery. Glittery. Okay. And like depending on how the box says, depending on how like bold you want it or how glittery, I can't even say that word, glittery you want it to look, basically just stop like smacking your lips together, and yeah, basically it's up to you to determine how sparkly you want it. Just like, I don't know, I think it's really cool, and it actually doesn't look too bad with this look.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it, and I'm really liking this look. It's a little bold, but I like bold looks. So here's the final look. The eyes, a really bold smoky eye, and a bold lip. Of course, this would have been really pretty on New Year's. Like, what was I thinking? I should have done this, but I didn't. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!
I make a ride Mercedes. I can afford the latest. Baby, ignore the